Guys, it's John from A Global, and this is about how to get rid of your deck rattle from your speakers in the back. And this is a '04 Honda Civic, and I upgraded the speakers in the back, and they're a little bit more powerful, and I get a big rattle from the trunk. So this is the easiest way that I found to be able to get rid of it. And I know a lot of guys will put screws from underneath or from the top, screw it down, or shove foam in from underneath, and a lot of times that falls out. And this is the way that I found to be pretty successful in order to do that. And basically what I use is your window and door foam. This is a few dollars at your hardware store. And then this is basically a spackling tool that you can use. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the foam, and one side of this is actually sticky, and what I'm going to try to do is stick it to the glass on the top because it's a nicer surface versus the plastic that gets hot. This is a darker colored car, but it seems to adhere well and stay in place when you put it upwards, the sticky portion to the glass. And then you're able to, because a lot of times you can't get it in, say in the center point because of the third brake light, but yet you're able to put it in from here to here. And I'll show you how to do that. I just cut a small strip that I'm going to be putting in from here to here, and that'll help out with the deck rattle. So if you're looking for this online, this is actually called foam Weatherstrip tape, and the size I'm using is 3/8 of an inch. You can get like 17 footers for about $2.50. I'm sure there is a tape out there with an adhesive without it on the one side, but the adhesive actually holds it in there. And worst case scenario, if you still get a vibration from the deck, you can always double it up. But I found that this size works pretty good for me. And basically you want to be careful not to ruin the rear defogger in the on the window. So basically if you take your time and just work it in there, you'll see that it'll work itself into the between the window and the plastic, and stop the vibration between the two, and hold it in place. As you can see, this has worked out really well for me, and if it works out well for you, please click the like button and click subscribe and check out some of my other videos. So here's the view from inside. You have to really look up. I can't get it and see it from where I'm at, but you can see that it's pushed down in there. And if you still have a rattle, you might want to double up.